A star explosion near our Earth may have triggered an ice age in the Pleistocene era 2.6 million years ago. This is what a new study claims. A supernova from an exploding star, if it's too close to us, of course, that would be an Earth extinction event. Now, we even know from the Old Testament of the Holy Bible in the book of Genesis, there was some kind of an astronomical event that had changed Earth's atmosphere and the way our sun's rays were strong to hit the Earth. We know that after the flood, Noah's flood, something happened and the sun was stronger. We were able to have rainbows, whereas before then we never had rainbows. So something happened. Now, a star near to Earth exploded millions of years ago. It may have been responsible for an ice age on our Earth, according to new research. Scientists found evidence that a star up to 25 times the size of our sun underwent a massive supernova 2.5 million years ago. The star was close enough to our Earth that scientists have been able to find traces of the explosion on our planet. So this is something that is fact now. They have the evidence for this. Star explosions lead to the formation of iron, manganese, and other heavy metals elements. Experts from the Technical University of Munich in Germany found layers of iron 60 and manganese 53 in the ocean floor, which dates back roughly to 2.5 million years ago. Manganese, which forms on Earth, is manganese 55, whereas manganese 53 usually forms from cosmic dust and is in abundance in the asteroid belt, according to research published in the journal Physical Review Letters. Both these elements are isotopes formed in the nuclear reactor of a star, and they were blasted out into the cosmos, into the universe, when that star underwent an explosive death, a supernova explosion. According to the team, the presence of both these elements was enough to confirm that a star near our solar system did in fact explode and bring these elements onto our Earth. The study's first author is Dr. Gunther Korschinek, and he said the increased concentrations of manganese 53 can be taken as a smoking gun, the ultimate proof that this supernova really did take place. This is investigative ultra-trace analysis. He said we're talking about merely a few atoms here, but accelerator mass spectrometry is so sensitive that it even allows us to calculate from our measurements that the star that exploded must have had around 11 to 25 times the size of our sun. While the star would have been close in astronomical terms, thankfully it was far enough away that it would not have caused damage to life on Earth with an intense burst of radiation. But the experts believe it could have been responsible for triggering an ice age on our planet through the release of cosmic rays, which would have bombarded the Earth for thousands of years after this supernova star explosion. Cosmic rays can boost the growth and formation of cloud condensation nuclei, which are the seeds of cloud formation in the atmosphere. So we had dense cloud coverage. More clouds in our atmosphere lead to less sunlight reaching the surface, which in turn causes, of course, temperatures to drop. The co-author was Dr. Thomas Festerman. He said this can lead to increased cloud formation. Perhaps there is a link to the Pleistocene epoch, the period of the ice ages which began 2.6 million years ago, they said. This is by Sean Martin at Express UK. Please leave your comments, and thank you for your support. If you'd like to join me on my Patreon account, you will hear content not covered by mainstream media. These riveting stories will be based on my research, and I will state my opinions and give my personal insight on diverse and controversial subjects and world events not covered by mainstream media, and not supported by YouTube guidelines. So whatever I have on my Patreon, most of those will not be on my YouTube channel. Please consider becoming a member today. More of the most significant and important videos will be on my Patreon channel. Your support helps me to continue my research and keeps this YouTube channel alive. and we depend on your support, your generous charity, because we help economically challenged families here in Athens, Greece, in Kapota, and we also help the young generation with university tuition and the community around our church. Thank you.